There are lots of different areas on the teacher dashboard that I want to talk to you about in checking progress. The first one I want to bring your attention to is questions answered for the week. This just provides you with a graph of showing you how many questions are either answered at school or at home. Down below we have an area that outlines the top students for the week. So they rank your students in order from top to bottom. And what's important to remember about this area is they tell you how many questions your students are answering, and then actually how many of the ones that they've answered they're answering correctly. Beside that, we have an area that just outlines some struggling skills for the week. They tell you how many students are struggling with those skills and what the skill actually is. So that can help guide your small group instruction if students require that extra support. Down in the bottom here is the active assignments area. This is where I find the most information about my students' progress. So at the top, you have all of the assignments that are open at this time that students can try. Down on the bottom here, you have view full report. So for instance, if I'm going to look up add 3-digit numbers with regrouping, I can click on view full report, and what pops up is a chart that shows me all of my students on this side here, and then all the questions across the top. The green color indicates that they got the question correct, the red color indicates that they got it incorrect, and of course the white color indicates to me that they haven't even done the question. So below this, it breaks it down for you question by question. They actually show you what the question is. They tell you who got the question correct, who got it incorrect, and most importantly, they show you the answer that that student put in. So that's some valuable information that can help you guide small group instruction. If your students are just miscalculating by 1 or 2 digits here or there, that's a very different skill that they need to practice on, instead of a student such as this one or this one here that are way off. So they clearly need to have some more direct instruction about what's happening with that skill. And then over here we have how many students haven't even answered the question. This is a lot of information, but I find scanning the chart that they give you at the top is a really quick overview to see who is and who isn't successful in this math skill. I hope this helps you as much as it helps me in my class.